Kabasumbla, yaje dauda, tera kulo bablu, foden yinkili, kabakabasumbla.
That was really nice. Good afternoon, everyone listening out there. Today is a very special day, and I'm here with
Mariama Cham. I'm a musician, I'm a singer, a songwriter, and a music composer. I'm a lead vocalist also in Sabaling, a cultural choir. I'm a lead vocalist there. I'm an instrumentalist. I play keyboard.
Okay.
But alongside, I am also going to school. Family of planning, flowing our destiny, partnership in discovery, by counsel, not by force. Achieving excellence together. Attitude is a little thing that make a difference. A difference. Education is the door to the future. Jangileno, hey, Jangileno, hey. Education is the door to the future. Alngata, karandulalo.
Oh my God, you really touches my heart. And yes, Gambia, we have heard from her, and I think this song really touches my heart.
And that women are facing in the world and children,
Wow.
because they are so vulnerable, and they should be respected. They
Definitely.
should be protected at all means. And I put the song across for people to listen.
Okay.
Because not just the wars that are happening in Israel and other countries, but in our midst, women and children are also suffering.
Definitely.
So this thing needs to be.
Let me hear. I would love to also hear that. I hope.
I say, women are crying, children are dying. Is somebody out there to help them? Hey, as a no to a culture that is here to harm. It's neither in the Bible nor Quran. Salam alaikum nu yunale. Salam alaikum nu yunale. Salam alaikum yeah. Salam alaikum yeah. Salam alaikum yeah. Salam alaikum yeah. Salam alaikum wa borbele. Salam alaikum Sidi Gabi. Salam alaikum everybody. Salam alaikum.